Hey, so you have a Tesla, doesn't matter, Model 3, one of the sexy models, and you don't like the way it smells, or if you've lost that new car fragrance, well, our guys over at Hansshow have you covered with the new fragrance diffuser kit. So it's about $99 in their store. We're gonna go ahead and install this into a Model 3. This is a pre-Highland model, so it's a 2017 through 2023 model. We're gonna go ahead and install it in here and show you how to do that. It's real fast, real easy. Highly recommended. Don't forget to look in the description below to see how you can get a discount on this particular product and other Tesla accessories. Like and subscribe. I'll see you back in just a moment. Okay, so here we have the fragrance kit from Hansshow. We're gonna go ahead and install this into this Model 3. It's actually really easy. And what we're gonna do, it has a couple of pieces to it. Here you have the actual diffuser itself, and here you have the vial that will actually provide the fragrance. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in the glove compartment for the hookup. We have a pigtail of a USB that's gonna go with the fragrance. And that's such that we can plug the USB cord in to one, and the USB is going to power the diffuser, and we're going to run a cord underneath the glove box, and it's just going to stick underneath the glove box, and I'll show you where that's going to go. To remove the panel underneath, I'm not really going to go through that too much today, because quite frankly, it's different from the pre-Highland Model 3, the Model 3 Highland, the Model Y Juniper. They all release slightly differently, so check out my other videos if you want to see how I've done that. But other than that, it's just going to run the cord underneath there, and it's just going to stick to the bottom of the panel. So let's get to it. So what I've done, I've already released the clips on this Model 3, and so that I can pull the panel down. And what we're going to do, we're going to take this wire, because I'm going to mount the diffuser right here, and I'm going to run this wire around this panel here, through this panel, and we're going to run the wire all the way up into the glove box over here. And I may just have to just take this panel off. It's just real quick. We have a trim tool for that, and we'll pop it off and make it all happen. So let's get to it. Okay, so what do we have here? I have the wire sticking out here, and what I've done, I have run the wire underneath the panel here, and you can see the wire the way that I've run it. And I'm going to close this whole panel up, make sure it goes behind the clips, and make sure it goes behind the vents here, such that it does not interfere. And I'm going to wind up running the wire up here and then into the glove box that way. So that's the plan. So I've already got the wire run, so now I can start pushing this thing together and start clipping it all together. Knock that in there, like that one in there, like that one in there. Now we have mount this. Perfect. All right, let me get up. All right, so here we have the USB port that's in the glove box, and we're going to take the pigtails that came with the diffuser, and we're going to go ahead and plug it in. Let's see if we can. There we go. It plugs in just like that, and from there we're going to be able to take the pigtail, and we're just going to go ahead and plug it in to the USB port. There we go. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to just zip tie this, just like this, just to tie the wire together. So that takes up all the slack. And here, we still have the USB port for our USB drive for our Sentry. So later on, if we still want to have our Sentry, we could plug it into here. Other than that, we can close the glove box. So now, we have our diffuser here. This is where the wire is going to plug into the back of, and we can go ahead and connect that. And we're gonna also put double-sided tape on the top of the diffuser like this and just stick it to the bottom of the panel. And that's all there is to it. So number one, I like to go and, let's go and plug it in first. I'm gonna try to get this as far down as I can. Left-handed of all things. You can already hear it going. So that's it connected. And now we're going to attach. We've already cleaned our area here. We're going to attach our double-sided tape. So what I've done, I opened the glove box first, and when I did that, I positioned it in such a way that it won't interfere with the glove box when it opens. And now from here, we can now install our scent stick. And from here, we're going to go ahead and install the scent stick just like this. That's all there is to it. And we'll test this thing out one more time. Doesn't interfere with the drawer. And it works. That's all there is to it. And we're done.
Smell it. Smells good. You're supposed to do a sniff.
You're right.
Yeah, refreshing. Yes.
I should have got the dog in here. Okay, so that's it. All there is to install it. It's actually really easy. Like I said, the install is really dependent on your vehicle and just routing the wire to your preference. And, you know, the placement is up for debate as to where you want to put it. There are no screws involved in this because I know there are some instructions that has you put screws and then you'd have to make holes and all that. There are no screws in the kit. Don't worry about it. This is a non-destructive install. It's just double-sided tape. If you don't like where it's placed, take the double-sided tape off, replace it with some other and put it on there. The scent stick, however, is pretty good. It lasts anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. It's just depending on how well it's used. If you need more scent sticks, you can go to Hansshow.com and pick up some more scent sticks from them. So this is actually a pretty good install. I actually do like the way it smells, and it is making the car smell pretty nice. I really like it. If you would ask me what fragrance it is, I possibly could not tell you. I can definitely tell you it smells better than what it did. But it's actually working. It does work. You just have to take my word for that. It absolutely does work. So if you want your car to have a nice new car smell to it, highly recommend it. Go ahead and pick it up. Very easy install. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Peace.
That'll be good.
Yeah. Right. Oh, you got me okay for doing that?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's what I'm talking about.
All right, 3, 2, 1. All right.
Oh, I didn't sniff.
Or no, to have him sniff and enjoy it.
I gotta sniff.
Enjoy it. Yeah. While you're doing your head is kind of in the car.
Yeah.